We're making an easy-to-sew bodycon dress. Print out the pattern in actual size and cut off the excess from each piece. There are 8 pieces to this pattern. Cut the right side off and the top. Glue the pieces together using a roll-on stick glue. Smooth out the finished pattern and proceed to cut out the size you require. Each size is marked in a different color, making it easy to follow the lines. Once you've cut out the pattern, lay the front and the back to the fold on a piece of stretch fabric such as bonbon, cotton knit, or trilobal. Cut out the pattern. On this pattern, the armholes is quite fitted. Cut it down under the arm by as much as 2 centimeters to suit your preference. Start by sewing the shoulder together. Leave a gap on one side of the neck on the inside so that you can apply the binding to the neckline and armholes. Sew the binding on using a binding attachment suitable for your sewing machine. Once the binding is applied, sew the side seams of the garment by placing the back over the front, right sides together, and overlocking in place. Use the differential feed on your serger to ensure that the seam is not puckered. It's wise to test the stitches on a piece of scrap fabric before sewing. Once the garment is sewn together, neaten the hem, sew the shoulder closed, and hem. Press the garment and wear your sexy dress.